In this video, we're going to be completing a math maze together so that you're ready to complete your math maze on your own. The first thing I want to show you is a new feature that they have for GoFormative. It's called opacity. And basically what it means is that, if something's opaque, you can't see through it. But if you change the opacity, so 100% would mean that you can't see through it at all. But as you decrease the opacity, then you're going to be able to see through the object. So I'm going to put it about here. I'm going to choose the color that I want to use. You can use any color that you want. And then I'm going to choose the thickest line. And what's so awesome now is that when I color this line, you'll actually be able to still read the path and all the words and everything because you can see through the colors now. So it's kind of like a highlighter. So I'm going to start at the starting point. So here's the starting point right here. I guess I need to click scribble. So here's the start. And I might actually zoom in on the start so I can see this part better. And then I'll go back to scribble. All right, so 2/12. So this guy right here, 2/12. The numerator is smaller than the denominator. So this is going to be less than 1. It actually equals 1/6 when you reduce it. So it's less than 1, which means that I need to take this pass since this says less than 1. Then 8/8. All right, so this means 8/8 that the numerator and the denominator are equal, and 8 divided by 8 is 1. So I'm going to continue with my line, and I'm going to go towards the equals 1. So it's not greater than 1, I have to go this way. Now I'm looking at this 21/7. And the numerator is larger than the denominator, so that means that this fraction is greater than 1. In fact, it actually equals 3. Alright, so the greater than 1 path takes me this way, which takes me to 3/15. Well, 3/15, the numerator is smaller than the denominator, so 3/15 is a fraction that is less than 1, so I need to go this direction. 3/15 actually equals 1/5, which equals 0.2. So it's less than 1. All right, that brings us to 14/14. And the numerator equals the denominator, so this fraction is equal to 1. So I'm going to move towards the 4/20. And 4/20, the numerator is smaller than the denominator, so this fraction is less than 1. And then 9/18, the numerator is smaller than the denominator, so this fraction is also less than 1. And so that brings me to the end. So what's great about this new tool is, look, you can still read the entire path. I can still read the 21/7. I can still read that it says greater than 1. I can still see the 3/15. So if you're looking back at your corrections, you can easily see your mistakes since you can see through this highlighter tool.